Hello friend, how is it going? Welcome back to Auto Resource YouTube channel. I have here today for a bunch of services 2016 Honda CRV with 85,000 miles on the clock. As you can hear, it's winter, raining outside. You can probably hear it in background. And the owner said, hey, these windshield wipers are old, more than a year. Please replace them with the new ones. So let's go together and see how easy it is to replace them, both on the front. I already checked the rear one. This one is perfect, so there's no need. But the front ones will be done. Let's go together to see how easy it is. And right here, this is incredible feature. We own Honda Ridgeline, and you cannot do this. You cannot lift the whole arm like this because the arms are actually underneath the hood, hidden, and there's no place to work on it. This one, as you can see, everybody, it's super easy, convenient to get to. Now, depending what is installed here, and I don't know, I'd never put these on. I believe she said last time it was done by Napa. I don't know why each of them is complete different construction. Maybe, just maybe, it wasn't available at that time. So there should be like a little piece you push in and the windshield wiper will get towards to the vehicle of that round hook. Let's see if it will work out or not. Did you see that? Look at it. So this 2016 CRV still has a hooks. I will show you detail of it right now. Here we go. This is the arm all the way up. I will put my hand behind it so you nicely see the hook. It's on both arms, also on the small one, which is on the passenger side. So let's see what I got for this car. And I looked through the whole catalog and I decided on these. Hopefully you guys can see. The passenger, it's a 16-inch, and the driver, it's 26-inch windshield wiper. So the driver's side was removed. Let's go and see what is in this package. Some manual. There will be always a bunch of adapters. Oh, that's fancy. I like this. So this is super nice. I believe that hook system, it's automatically on. And this Bosch actually has a nice cover, protective cover, which will make sure it cannot fall off that hook. So you can see it hopefully. Here is again the pouch with different stuff, and basically the clip goes this way and I will try to hook it in. Let's see how difficult it will be, how difficult or easy. Okay, so I'm sliding this way until I should hear a click. Did you hear that? That pop, the click. And now using this part, it will actually make sure it cannot fall off while you are driving in some heavy rain. Let's see. Click. Perfect. And we have the driver installed. Once again, let's just show the detail. This is that clicker. Can you see it? Is it in focus? Yes. So that's what I clicked at the end. That will make sure the wiper cannot move this way and fall off the hook. So this is really great and important feature. Let's look on this one. I was telling you this one looked like completely different design. The removal will be the same. Should probably put the camera down. Oh, look at it. It wasn't even holding there. So that system which we just discussed, it's really important. You see, I didn't push any tab and it fell off. So here goes the same situation. This is the baby, I will call it. Look how small it is. So again, I will unclip this. So it goes forward. And then the hook, it's obvious here. I need to go this way up. I can lower it towards to myself, obviously, whatever it's convenient, and need to engage that thing. Hop, you heard that? It kind of clicked, and now this one, the securing click. And look at that, this is wonderful. I can already see from the marks on the windshield that small one, the previous one, was actually a little bit too small, and she was complaining that there was an area which wasn't swept by the windshield wipers. This one I will be careful to do the clearance. Oh yeah, and look at that. We have it all nicely installed for her. Perfect. I'm pretty sure you will agree everybody can do it themselves. So thank you for watching, and please subscribe. I have way more coming your way soon. See you later, my friend.